You saved. You avoided debt. You worked hard. So why does it still feel like you are losing financially? Here is the uncomfortable truth. Doing everything right with money does not guarantee success, because most people are playing the rules of an outdated financial game. 1. The illusion of doing it right. You were told to study hard, get a stable job, and be responsible. That advice keeps you safe, but safe is not the same as growing. It is like running on a treadmill. A lot of effort, very little movement. 2. Relatable example. Think about two people. One saves every dollar but never invests. The other learns how money works and lets it multiply. Both work hard. Only one builds momentum. 3. The real reason. Failure happens. Most people focus on control instead of leverage. They manage money instead of making money work. Inflation quietly eats their savings. Time passes, and the gap grows. It is not laziness. It is lack of strategy. 4. Practical shift. Stop asking, how do I avoid mistakes? Start asking, how do I build systems, learn investing, build skills that scale, create income that is not tied to hours, because effort alone is not the answer. Direction is. You are not failing because you did everything wrong. You are stuck because you followed rules that no longer work. If this changed how you see money, like the video. Subscribe for clear, honest finance content. And remember, doing the right things matters, but doing the right things in the right game changes everything.